Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to share files between the host machine and your virtual machine. And it is really simple. I'm going to show you two ways. One is with a USB, and the other one is just sharing from a file on the host system. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your machine is not running. You see how mine is running? If it's running, just click right here or sorry, right click and then down to stop and then power off the machine. Because if you have it powered down, it will not let you share anything. So the next thing you need to do is just make sure you have your machine selected, go up to settings, and then right down here, there's two ways we're going to do this. One, you can do the USB. So select on USB. Anyways, just select here. Select your USB. Mine is a SanDisk. You'll need to know what the name of it is. Chances are it's probably going to be the only one there. You select it and then you hit OK. And we're not quite done yet though, so stick around. I'm going to have to show you inside the operating system or your virtual machine how you share these things. So the next thing is you're going to go back into settings and then you're going to go to shared folder. And then over here, you're going to select the plus, and then you're just going to navigate to whatever folder you want to share. I've already got downloads. I'll go ahead and select desktop just for the fun of it. I'll select folder, and then I'll go to auto mount and click OK. And now I got two locations, the desktop and the downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and start this machine. You're in the virtual machine, you're going to have to come up here up to the top where it says devices right here. You're going to click that and you're going to come down here and say insert guest edition CD image. Now you're not going to see anything happen, but you're going to come down here and you're going to go here to the File Explorer. And once File Explorer opens, go to this PC, and then you're going to right click right here. And you're going to notice that mine are showing already, but you're going to run, right click and install or run program just like this. And you're going to hit yes. And then you're going to hit next. You're going to hit next again. You're going to keep the settings the same, hit install. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit finish reboot. All right, so now that we're restarted, we're going to go into the C drive or into the File Explorer, and we're going to look at this PC. And now you should have no trouble accessing any of these drives. So so I shared the desktop, and it's going to have all of the stuff that I had on my desktop. If I go to the VBox over here, that's going to have whatever I had in it. And you should you should have no trouble seeing all the drives. So one thing you may not be able to do is, so now if you go back to your PC, you notice you can't see your USB here. So if you want to share anything with the USB or from USB, you have to have it on the USB before you mount it. And that's pretty much it, my friends. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, have a great day and please consider hit that like and subscribe. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great night.